In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore your email contacts and calendar with Microsoft Outlook quickly and effectively in this 2025 guide. Whether you're switching devices or simply want to safeguard your data, I'll guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. To begin, you need to open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer. Once Outlook is up and running, your first stop will be the Import/Export tool. You can access this by clicking on File in the top left corner, navigating to Open and Export, and then selecting Import/Export from the drop-down menu. Next, you're going to choose the Export option. To do this, select Export to a file and then click on Next. Now you'll need to decide on the file format, which in this case will be the Outlook data file .pst. Select this option and then proceed by clicking on Next again. Now let's talk about choosing what to backup. If you want to backup everything, you'll select your email account at the top of the list and ensure to check the Include Subfolders option. This selection will allow you to export everything, including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes, and folders. Once you've ensured every area you want is covered, click Next. Now it's time to decide where to save your backup file. Click on Browse to choose a folder. You can save your backup file in multiple places, such as a USB drive, an external drive, or even a cloud service like OneDrive, for instance. Once you've selected your preferred storage location, click Finish. There's an option here to add a password to your PST file for added security, which is entirely up to you. And just like that, your backup is complete. Moving on to restoring your emails, contacts, and calendar in Microsoft Outlook. Especially useful if you're on a new computer or have reinstalled Outlook. Firstly, make sure to start Outlook as you normally would. You'll return to the Import/Export option, which you can access in the same way as earlier, File, then Open and Export, and choosing Import/Export. Now, you will select Import from another program or file and hit Next. For the file format, choose Outlook Data File, .pst, and proceed by clicking Next. Here, it's time to locate your backup file. Click on Browse, find the PST file you previously saved, and select it. You'll then encounter a few options for duplicate items. Replace duplicates, allow duplicates, or do not import duplicates. Choose the option that best fits your situation and hit Next. To import your data, select the top folder of the PST file. Remember to check Include Subfolders. To ensure everything is restored, choose to import items into the same folder for the most seamless integration. To wrap up, click Finish. All your emails, contacts, and calendar entries are now restored. And there you have it, your Outlook backup and restore process made simple and fast. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your data safe.